Snake Plant Survival Guide. These 7 deadly mistakes are silently killing snake plants in homes every day. Stay until the end, because mistake number 1 is responsible for more snake plant deaths than all the others combined. And don't miss the bonus tips at the end. Mistake number 7, wrong pot size. Mistake number 7 is using the wrong pot size. Many people plant a small snake plant into a large pot. This looks nice, but it causes serious problems. Extra soil holds water for too long. This leads to root rot. The correct rule is simple. When repotting, increase the pot size by only 1 to 2 inches. Snake plants prefer tight spaces. When they are slightly root-bound, they grow better and produce more pups. If roots are not circling the pot yet, do not repot. Mistake number 6, using the wrong soil. Snake plants are native to dry regions. They need fast-draining soil. Regular potting soil holds too much moisture. This suffocates the roots. The solution is a gritty soil mix. A simple mix is 50% cactus or succulent soil and 50% perlite or pumice. For better airflow, you can add a small amount of orchid bark. Healthy roots depend on air and drainage. Mistake number 5, no drainage holes. Mistake number 5 is using pots without drainage holes. Without drainage, excess water has nowhere to go. This causes constant wet soil and root damage. Always use a pot with drainage holes. If you prefer decorative pots, place a nursery pot with holes inside the outer container. This method protects the roots while keeping your plant display attractive. Mistake number 4, too much direct sun. Snake plants like bright light, but not harsh sun. Strong afternoon sun can burn the leaves. This causes bleaching, dryness, and brown patches. The best light is bright, indirect light. Morning sun is safe. East-facing windows work very well. If using a west-facing window, use a sheer curtain. Avoid strong midday sun, especially in summer. Mistake number 3, too much fertilizer. Mistake number 3 is over-fertilizing. Snake plants grow slowly. They do not need frequent feeding. Too much fertilizer damages roots and weakens the plant. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer at half strength. Apply it once a month, only during spring and summer. During fall and winter, do not fertilize. The plant is resting. Mistake number 2, cold temperatures. Mistake number 2 is exposing snake plants to cold. Temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius can damage the plant. Cold stress causes black, soft, and mushy spots. Keep snake plants above 13 degrees Celsius at night. Avoid placing them near doors, windows, or cold drafts. Warm, stable temperatures help the plant stay healthy. Mistake number 1, overwatering. This is the most common reason snake plants die. Snake plants store water in their thick leaves. They prefer dry conditions. Watering too often causes root rot. Signs of overwatering include yellow leaves at the base, soft or mushy stems, wet soil for many weeks, and a bad smell from the pot. To water correctly, always check the soil first. Insert a wooden stick or chopstick into the soil. If it comes out dry, you can water. If it comes out damp, wait. When you water, water thoroughly. Allow excess water to drain completely. In warm months, water every 3 to 4 weeks. In winter, water every 6 to 10 weeks. Mantra that will save every snake plant. When in doubt, don't water. Bonus tips. Clean the leaves monthly. They breathe through them. Rotate the pot every few months for even growth. Mealybugs. Wipe with 70% alcohol. They hate that. Want babies? Stress it a little. Tight pot plus bright light will produce pups everywhere. Fix even one of these today. Your snake plant will forgive you and live forever. Tell me in the comments which mistake you have been making and which surprised you the most. I read every single one. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more plant care guides. Thank you for watching.